got the whole giant Wick here. Oh, he's out the back cave.
Man, what is that?
Look at that, bro. I'm not shooting that.
Oh my god.
But it don't even matter. We legally that. Like, he caught that mug up. He caught that mug up. Oh my god. What's good, YouTube? I'm Set. And the next 30 days, you're going to be shooting with Set. So what are we going to call this? 30 days with Set, right? This is a family-friendly channel. You know what I'm saying? This channel is all about gun safety and guns. I mean, like... Yo, what's good, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? We back with day 14. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? I'm handling a little business, but dang. Nah, but y'all pay me that real quick. The tissue beside, appreciate that, my nigga. Y'all some real niggas for that, bro. But like I said, today 14, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna finish up what I got going on right now, cause we got some hot for y'all, you know what I'm saying? We got some hot, but let me get right, bro. Hold on. Like I was saying, hey, y'all don't worry about that first part, you know what I'm saying? But y'all see where we at, bro. Back at the hills, y'all hear what's going on back there. Nah, for real though, but today is day 14, you know what I'm saying? Officially 2 weeks in, bro. How y'all feeling? Drop down in the comments how you feeling, bro. Cause I ain't gonna cap, boy. That sun, that mug hitting, boy. It feel good out here, boy. I shouldn't even wore jeans today, bro. But I still came out in jeans, though. You said who?
Yeah, they don't check the weather for the house.
Yeah, nah, I don't check the weather. Even though I walk my dog, we chilling at the park. I forgot it felt good out there then.
I don't feel like good doesn't work.
Light feel great. I'ma get my wireless mics hooked up for y'all, so y'all can let me know what Deem sound like. They got track hawk out here today with GAP. GAP got a Hellcat parked out here, so y'all boy better not try and run, cause they catching y'all ass, and they gonna flip your shit and some more shit. They be say K9's. Oh my god. What you think he got under the hood?
Shit.
He Gwinnett. Oh, Pursuit? Oh my god, that's Hellcat. Nigga got police demon. nigga got a police demon out here. I wanna know who you not running from that.
Yeah, that's over with.
You not running from that, my nigga.
For on feet too.
You said who?
And they got a dog field ass when you want.
Oh god, that's what I'm saying, bro. Mic check, mic check, mic check. That bitch is on. So you just gotta put that mug in there one at a time. Turn it. You just gotta put that mug in there one at a time and turn it. 22. Then you pull it back one more time, they ready. Oh yeah, safety.
Apparently not. That piece of trash, I forgot.
One shot every time.
I can't cross the line.
That ain't really nothing for real. That's what I'm saying. $100. You just gotta go through and take them all out. But you gotta do it on the second one, so it's 1, 2. That's when you can turn it on the second click. On the third click, you're ready to shoot. Alright, so hopefully my mic is working and y'all can hear me. New mic, as you can see.
Yeah, man, I kind of had already had some shit. Loaded up type.
I want to make sure, because it's supposed to be factory 025.
See what that boy hitting on.
Oh, I should hit the first target first, huh? For the warm up.
Just let it move, so. Yeah, I didn't know what's up. So it doesn't, but you can kind of see a little whack. It's not bad.
I caught that bitch. Caught that bitch, chat.
Oh, fuck. Man, come on, man. Hold up.
Real deal, chat. We catching these. You heard that, boy, though?
Before we leave,
Hopefully the sound working.
Hopefully. No cap. Got the gold, motherfucker. It's a gold on gold all the way.
I can't hear shit. These bitches. I got these bitches carrying in so far. Damn, cat, that lens wide as hell.
That who?
That lens
Yeah.
pretty wide, bro. Like,
That bit 10. That bit go all the way to 10.
it can go even wider.
Nah. It just, most cameras start off at 18. This one go to 10. Cause I got like 5 different 18 through 55 lenses. I bought the other lens too though. For when I go over there to that snipe, I got 55 through 250. That motherfucker right.
Snipe. Alright, now what?
Cock it back. Pull the hammer back. Yeah. It be ready.
Ooh, this is what you call the mouse tool.
And get your thumb out that bit.
Pull it back.
Pull it back again.
Oh, they be a one shot.
Yeah.
Damn.
And Cowboy be hitting that motherfucker like this.
What the fuck? Am I tweaking right now? God damn.
Damn, how many you put in that motherfucker?
Should I put an extra clip in that motherfucker?
Let me put a stendo in that bit.
Okay.
Somebody turning that bit going crazy.
Can it?
Look at that. Everybody out here. Everybody out here. Sound like the 4th of July out here.
top left.
Let me get me one. Ain't gotta go singly pull them mugs out. I'm gonna switch back to the other mic just in case. But it said that mug was working though, for real.
I can't fucking tell. I can't tell what this motherfucker like.
I'm not sure. I didn't close, chat. I thought all Gen 5 closed. There we go. Damn, I missed them up 3 times. Gen 5 though, y'all heard that.
I ain't gonna count. The 19X sound way different, like.
Which I think is just the size for aiming.
Than the 19 Gen 5.
I don't know. Let me get 3 out there and 3 out that one, bro. I'm gonna go 3 out there one first, you know what I'm saying? Gen 5 closed when you put it in there. No, you don't need the
Damn.
you know what I'm saying, mad release. Slide with, come on Gen 5, chill out.
Need that.
Gen 5 be tripping. I gotta hit that back one though.
Wait.
Gen 5. Gen 5.
I might be thinking of it.
Hold
Hold it
on.
and just
We
kinda
gotta get
look
that.
down and see where the front post
Gen 5 don't do that?
lines with the tail. Tell me if it seems a little off.
There we go.
'Cause it looks a little off. You see what
Damn.
They might sound the same.
Gen 5. They definitely feel the same. I'm not gonna count. They do feel the same.
Let me shoot them bitch.
Alright, there we go. Y'all see that? I lined all them up right there. Yes, sir. Put both of them two out there, right there. Yes, sir. That's me. That's him. I did him.
Alright,
And that
man.
little perk back there.
That purple.
Yeah, that perk.
It got a big ass.
That be cool. Look at the wall. They got wasp over here and that.
The wall.
Yeah, they got wasp over here and that.
Fuck that shit, man.
If I gotta get right, bro.
Hell, I miss my own shit.
Show them boy with that CZ talking about, bro.
I hit one time.
Look at that B.
What you want me? 3 bullets?
Yeah, go ahead, show them what that
Three
CZ
piece?
talking about, bro.
3 piece? Everybody do 3 piece?
Yeah, we can do that.
You know what I'm saying? Max loaded, but
Everybody go 3 piece.
Hit one more time.
You making it rain in here. I'm catching on. What that is, Glock 19?
Hit one more time.
You gonna make it in the bucket.
Boy, Glock showing hoops, man. Trying to make it in the bucket.
I'm gonna switch back to the other mic in a minute, just in case.
Sorry.
Them all getting lit. Alright. I don't even know how many you hit, bro. Did you shoot?
what the fuck? Yeah.
I wasn't even paying attention, bro.
I ain't seen no dirt flying up on that hill, bro.
Ooh, I heard that boy chat. He ain't see no dirt flying up. Straight steel moving. Right. Let's do it again then. Man, what is Buddy doing? Don't fuck with that nigga now. Don't fuck with that nigga. And he fucked with him, bro. What?
Y'all keep swinging at the bees, they gonna attack, bro.
That's what I'm trying to tell, bro. They probably, bro, spot, bro.
Man, bro, I ain't worried about nothing.
That motherfucker gonna sting your ass. Put one in there, but you gotta put that bitch on the second one.
Yeah. Oh.
Like, this the third one where it's ready to shoot.
One like how it is, and it was pinging
But
really bad.
you gotta put it on the second one, bend that bitch 3 times, and then put it back.
Oh, there.
Shit. Y'all trying to do it?
You do it?
I really just started it off. But should I go again? Huh? Yeah, one already in. That be alright. Pull it to the second clip. Okay. Okay, it was a major swing. Ooh.
You already know, man. You know what they say, 3rd time's a charm, man, and I am 3 ski.
So that was a f***ing lie.
We're talking about thirds out of the charm. You good, bro. You gotta pull it back one more time.
I know, bro. That shit is funny as hell, though.
Damn.
Damn.
Crazy though.
That's crazy.
I think we should go at 2 now.
Yeah, after the first round.
Yeah.
Slick.
Gotta go at 2 now. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. That's crazy, bro. That boy doing gigantic spins.
My slide.
Ooh.
Damn, man, that's crazy.
Then we're gonna do 3? 3 next? Might well keep it at 2.
Yeah. I do it. Keep down.
too. That's one.
Alright, let go. 1, 2, 3. It's still.
Down. Damn.
How can you hit that? What is that? What kind of Glock is that?
I think I'm gonna get.
Might be 19 Gen 5.
Like, look, you gotta check it. That's it right there, Tom.
That's it.
That's it right there.
Let's see. Ah, blue ball, blue ball.
Hey, Tom.
Mouse 2. Take 2. Okay. Mouse 2. Take.
No, bro. He come over looking at her.
Get motherfucker in there.
He was just standing over here, bro. Like he was like, I was like, shit.
Dread is over there.
And who turn is it, bro?
He just went.
Me.
You put 3 in there now.
You want to put 3 in there? Bro?
Yeah.
I ain't even
Get it, man.
Huh?
You got 3 in there now?
Yeah, but I ain't even spin that much. That's crazy.
That's crazy,
You got
bro.
3 in there?
I'm finna be the first to get this, man. I'm finna be the first.
You finna be the first who?
I'm finna be the first to get this off, man.
Yeah, but we gonna do the first one to hit first 3 shots. It ain't about if it shoot, it's about if it hit.
Oh, okay.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
One with the shot, and he missed.
Barely.
And he missed.
Barely.
That shit poop, man. That shit the poop pack. What you got going on, that's the poop pack right there.
I ain't expect to go off. I ain't gonna cap, bro. Look, you hard.
That sight really easy. Once you really
It's
find
easy,
it.
but I gotta get used to it.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah,
And
this
it ain't
shit
got
like,
no recoil either. So it's like,
it's going downhill. So,
You gotta,
not even strength.
hold your wrist up.
Gotta.
that really ain't fair, cause we still got that shell in there from yours.
Yeah.
That was most definitely a hit too.
Hey, man. I got it to go on,
What you got, 17?
but
You
I
got that
didn't
ball.
miss.
You got 17?
Gotta get used to these sights. Oh my God. It did it.
You hit.
Alright, 3. It ain't go.
Alright.
Not 2.
2, 3.
They have some goddamn.
Bro,
That shit from the goddamn Arsenal, goddamn.
oh my God.
They got that. That is got this motherfucking shoe shit, bro.
Let me shoot some. Hey, I ain't shooting that bitch. For a revolver, bro? Nah.
So take this in 1 shot.
Nah. That boy got some kick. I seen when you shot it.
He said he wasn't shot it yet.
Oh, that was. Let me see.
Yeah, that man tweaking, bro. He forgetting the camera.
Look at that, bro. I'm not shooting that.
Oh my God. I got an elephant gun out here.
I
This
seen
is
you
my
shoot
hand.
this one. That right there is crazy though.
It's crazy, bro.
No. Let me see you shoot it one time. It don't even look like you can shoot that over here, bro.
That's what I said.
Thing is though, I could turn it. I'll see if I can find some 410. And then you can. One or the other.
You gonna shoot it?
I might as well shoot that mud, bro. I can't be no hoe on the channel, bro.
Knock the fuck up. I knock the fuck out you.
Not on the channel, bro.
Hey, why the hell you got this shit out like that? Yep. Go ahead.
You already caught it?
No. Going to it.
Where you feel that mud?
Yeah. Ooh wee.
How much you paid for that?
7, 8.
And what is this called?
That is a 454 Kasul.
Never even heard of it. That's crazy.
It's like the 45 long pole, but Magnum.
Y'all don't want to shoot?
Well, I couldn't. I was trying to turn
No,
it up.
sir, ski.
Didn't look like it.
Nah, it's not that bad. What is it, 2011?
It's a 1911. That particular one's not mine.
You got the whole giant Wick. Let's hear it.
Oh! Out the back cave. Man, what is that? What is that going on the end? It's a because it opens right here, be careful with your thumb.
Okay.
Because if you put your thumb up here, it'll bite you. So just be careful with it. Takes Glock magazines.
I like it. It's silenced?
Yeah, that's why it's so big. It's only like a 4-inch barrel. The rest of that's...
Dang.
Well, I wish I had wiped my.
Right there.
It's hearing safe with plus P plus hollow points.
I like it. This the type of collection. Eventually. All I got.
Yeah, the barrel stops like right here. That's like the barrel. The rest of it's
Jesus Christ.
That's
pretty
awesome.
What brand is that?
Sig. Probably smoke.
Dang, bro. If I stay over here, I'm gonna want to shoot everything.
Silence.
Gotta get
Man.
that. Do it, man.
What do you recommend?
You have to load the magazine.
What is this? 9 mil?
You got 9?
Yeah, I got some 9. It's 9.
Load that one up.
And
What you think about that, man?
I don't even know if I'm finna shoot, but it's 9 mil, so I'm not scared. I ain't gonna count that fur revolver. That more had me scared, bro. Hand starts sweating, chat. I thought I was finna like embarrass myself.
Finna shoot a SIG, fool.
A Sid. Sid's awesome. Oh, I fuck with Sid. Oh, he finna put me on game. Ooh. I fuck with Sid.
That is a $2,300 gun.
Get that. 2,300. Don't none of the guns in my collection cost nowhere near this much, bro. That's crazy.
And it's a competition.
Competition gun? So that mean I shouldn't miss?
I mean, it suck.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
No, it's on.
It's on
Super
safety.
light trick. You got a shelf right here, so you can wrap it on that. It's got a 19.
Ooh, that mug got some kick though.
I was shooting at the body. Remember? The body.
Dang. Dang.
Are you shooting off the reset?
Off the reset?
shoot, hold the trigger down.
All right.
Now let it out just till you feel the click.
And
You feel that click?
Yeah.
When you feel that click, stop right there and just pull the trigger. Okay. That way you can steady your shot. It doesn't surprise you every time it fires.
All right. That's a bet. And that was the last one. Dang. I'm gonna try that though.
The Beretta.
Which
That's
one
a
is that?
competition Beretta. That's a 92X performance
This one's
model.
heavy.
It's a $1,500 gun.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's all metal.
Oh, is that the... Sweep them up, throw them in the trash can.
Feel like you gotta pull this trigger harder.
You're shaking a lot. You're over gripping the gun for one. You gotta pull that trigger a little harder than the SIG because that SIG has a super light trigger. That one has a competition trigger in it. I can put the Mantis on, it'll tell me if you're doing something wrong.
This mode right here.
The who?
The Mantis.
What is that?
You mind grab my tablet from the car?
So you finna pull out the Mantis.
Mantis.
The Mantis, gang.
Only thing I can say about this one,
Oh, the
my
Mantis,
hand
mama.
sweat, and it's just sliding from me.
Yeah. Seems like you were gripping it. You were like vice gripping it.
Yeah.
I think you were gripping it. Like, take some time to just kind of relax a little bit.
These guns just cost too much.
They stay at home. I said
My
these
boy ain't trying to make no
competition guns.
wrong
these are fun to
decisions,
take
man.
to the, I would never carry them.
I was taught if you can't buy it, don't you know what I'm saying, don't buy it.
Something like that. M9A3 doesn't cost nearly as much.
You don't want to shoot a shot on nothing? Oh, like that's a 320?
Yeah, 320 M17.
I wouldn't shoot that one. Did that gun KD won't.
He want that?
Let me get right.
Sean, when you
He said that's John KD want. Hey, that shit look good, bro.
I'm trying that trigger thing.
That takes out the anticipation. If you let the trigger all the way out and you have to pull it all, you have pre-travel, the distance from all the way out to when it fires and over travel the point where it fires at the back of the grip. If you're using that whole length, the gun keeps surprising you. So you just pull it, when let it go just to that reset, take a breath, pull it again.
I'm not gonna put a round through that.
Which one? Yeah, have it.
This one? You shot that before?
Male carpenter piece.
It really feel like a mini shotgun.
And they kind of big ass round.
I would say it's like a mini.
Mantis X.
Use this. No worries. Use the back of the. Use the back of that.
Alright. 1 second. Open training.
Anybody ever told you look like the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air?
What do you mean by that?
A lot.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Whenever you're ready. Slap on the trigger. Pushing the gun forward. Pushing the gun forward. Alright. Safety, clear the weapon.
This is safety?
So clear it. The overall score is 42%. Now, so the majority of what you did is you're pushing the weapon. So you're anticipating that recoil and you're dipping the whole gun before you fire.
I'm not trying to. Oh, hell no.
Slap the trigger. You're probably using too much finger in the trigger, so you're slapping it, pushing the gun that way. And on that one shot, you use two little fingers.
Woo!
God. I felt that.
Woo! I felt that shit over here, boy.
Want to try again?
Yeah, I'm gonna try again.
Somebody face. So you getting your test scores, man. You getting your test scores, bro.
Okay. 2, not bad. 50. Slapping it. So you remember I said he was probably gripping it too hard?
Alright, now you.
Huh?
Alright, now you one hand.
Y'all trying to make friends?
The beauties of the Mantis, you can use it with dry fire too. So you can set it to dry fire. You can do this in your living room. Dry firing.
How much this machine cost?
Particular one is like I think I got it for 200 and some change. There's different versions of it.
So that ain't even that bad though.
It's really not. Especially if you can do this in your living room and save ammunition. Typing fingers.
Where's the regular gun?
Overall 42%. And again, you push the gun down a lot, slapping the trigger a lot. So this is showing how the weapon moved before the shot, when you took the shot, and after the shot. So you see how you got all this movement.
I looked at the maps. This shit was pretty big.
So you're moving the gun around a lot. That's 5.
Slapping that trigger.
Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. I haven't fired this one in a while. I got used to the other one.
What the fuck is you looking at, my nigga?
So what I've noticed is every time I pick up a different gun, I make a different mistake. Depending on the trigger, depending on the weapon, I'll have the same type of mistake for that particular gun, but if I like reset to the Beretta, you'll say that it shows the same mistake. Beretta is consistently
Everybody?
Hold on. You didn't put the message on.
Get how much shot in the walls.
Now that's what you call a badass.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. If I knock the fuck out you.
Is it off a little bit?
slapping the trigger. So I noticed with Beretta, I tend to slap the trigger. With Glock, I tend to push it forward. It'll show it's just a mistake. Still shooting, my live fire is still averaging over 90%. So if I didn't have that, I wouldn't notice the mistake I'm making. You heard it ping every time, hit the target. 42% is not good. So what it's doing is it's fine tuning the exact spots. Like if you were shooting at a period, I'd be missing every time. If there's a large target, I'm not missing. But this is assuming you're not moving the gun around if you have to shoot something small, which is why it works with dry fire.
Everybody out here.
Tactical Sunday.
Tactical Sunday. Oh yeah, that's what you start saying. Have a lovely
Sunday.
Tactical Sunday. What's good, YouTube? Oh, you said.
Can't change the intro, bro. Maybe for the net 30-day marathon.
Yeah. I'm trying to, I'm doing a...
Shooter ready.
Thank you. I'm shooting high.
Temperature sign. I think my camera over.
Yeah, I see.
Little trigger.
What?
Don't worry about it. I'm pushing it.
Aim out. Finger on the trigger. Go ahead and thumb the hammer back. Got the hammer. Finger on the trigger. So this is it's from the compressed. That's why you put your finger on the trigger. So when you hear the beat, pull the trigger and just get ready for the next shot.
All right.
What happened to me? No, that's what...
Bro, how am I missing that bit?
You not a real shooter?
Pushing the gun forward mostly. You're anticipating the recoil.
Last one. Last one.
I mean, just a tad, dude.
That's it.
61% average. And so your big mistakes is pushing the gun forward because you're anticipating the recoil. I would not have known just how bad I'm actually shooting if it wasn't for this.
Yeah, it's pretty.
So that was your Hellcat out there?
Hellcop.
Cop.
Hellcat. That's
So
crazy.
You got the Hellcat engine in there?
So they have to tune that one down because it's all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive can't handle more than about 600 horses. It'll destroy the transfer case.
Okay.
So they told me I could either keep it at 600 horses, or they could tune it up to 1,000
And take.
disable the all-wheel drive.
You'll be real.
I like my all-wheel
You
drive.
be flying around there, well.
That's crazy. Real deal. Hellcat.
Try to chase somebody out slide.
All fours.
For real though.
So, remember what you do. You find the wall, hole, and when you hold the trigger down, you just reset right there. Hold it there. When it beeps, you pull the trigger again. So that's to say, you shoot off the reset, you'll find you'll be a lot more accurate. Shooter ready? Yeah. Stand by.
How you feel about the day though, bro?
I ain't gonna lie, man. It was a good day, bro. Like, you know.
But why you ain't shooting that though, bro?
Woke up out the bed, came to the gun range.
Man, bro, you just had all them variety guns, variety caliber.
It's like, I feel like, bro, this today was needed for it to be just straight you, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, just
He just talking now.
shooter with set content.
He just talking now, man.
Just a man behind the
You guys want
camera.
some water? Gatorade?
You got a water? I'll take a water.
Oh, good, man. I appreciate it, though.
Appreciate it,
Y'all
man.
have a good one, man.
Take it easy.
And I just got some water to rehydrate. Bro, it's cool. We found out who drove the Hellcat. Scratched that Hellcop. Y'all heard him.
You just took that water. Let me see that shit real quick. This motherfucker is a cop, bro.
He not. That's
You
only
know what
working in
Juicy
Terragate.
said, bro? You know what Juicy said on that fucking interview when he was like, you take that money, you know what's gonna happen to you. You take that money, you know what's gonna happen to you, right?
Nah. I forgot what the fuck I was gonna say. Let me show them the Hellcat, bro. The Hellcat. Bro did have some goddamn waters though. But nah, they ain't getting their water back though. They gonna get your fingerprints if you get it back. But it don't even matter. We legally done. But he caught that mug up. He caught that mug up. Oh my god. But he got the Hellcat for real, for real.
That motherfucker.
Hey look.
600 horsepower.
Hey, so no y'all not running from bro.
Nigga, only way you getting away from that bitch there, you got a Q6. Get that bitch up.
They talking about a Q60. Hey bro,
Yeah,
you not,
you gotta
bro.
buy that bitch.
You're not running from that mud. Not only is you not running from that mud, bro, then they got perfect aim. if your ass running,
to tell him,
nigga,
go hit your ass.
To hit the block, why would I lie? You for the game, why would I try? What they be selling, I won't buy. No, I ain't chillin', gratified. I just wanna rock out, Glock out. Fuck it, we gon' pop out. Swing the stick like top dog. Come here, take your top off. Shit sweet, knocked off.